Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. It is part in the life of Jesus that he would always call out the attention of those who were already astray or those who did something opposite about the gospel. He calls out and he is vocal to those who are sinners, to those who are doing something bad in the society. And we've heard today how Jesus called out three towns that commentators and the Bible would often name as the unrepentant towns, the towns of Chorazin, Bethsaida, and Capernaum. Bakit ba niya binigyang pansin o tinawag ng atensyon ang mga lugar na ito? Just by the very name itself, unrepentant. For their history, they have done something bad against their neighbor and against God. Part of their lives was not really to move out of their sinfulness and ask God's mercy. Because, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus would not only call out the attention of sinners, but Jesus would like to invite them and ultimately invite us. Let us not stuck ourselves into weaknesses or sins, but to move forward in grace. Ang hindi manatiling nakakulong sa ating pagkakasala o sa ating kahinaan, pero ang magpatuloy ng may grasya at ng pagpapatawad. We've heard a beautiful prayer of the exiles in our first reading from the book of the prophet Baruch. They know very well that they have obscured God's ways, God's letters, God's daily acts, their own responsibilities and all. Knowing their sinfulness, they know not to stuck themselves in such sins, but to move forward asking for God's peace and for hope in their lives. Totoong-totoo ito sa ating buhay, mga minamahal na kapatid. A lot of us would say that I would just remain or I would just stay being unrepentant for the rest of my life. Hindi na ako magkukumpisal. Hayaan ko nang sirain ako ng aking pagkakasala hanggang sa masira na rin ang aking buong pagkatao. Magagalitin akong tao, sige, hayaan ko na lang yung galit na manuot sa akin. I have a lot of mortal sins, but I would just let the mortal sin simmer inside my heart. I have a lot of things against my neighbor. I don't pray to God. I don't go to Sunday Mass. I don't do my responsibilities well. Dito na lang yan. Hindi ko na pagsisisihan ang mga bagay na ito. But let us be warned, my dear brothers and sisters, but let us also be encouraged how Jesus calls out our attention. Not because we have done wrong, but He calls our attention for us not to be stuck in weakness, but to move forward in grace. We seek the help of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, beloved brothers and sisters, that from His heart may we learn repentance and not to live unrepentant in our daily life.